How to change the color of dimension extension line in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by DIMCLRE system variable. It can change the color of dimension extension lines. Its valid range is from 0 to 256. By default its value is 0, which means the color of dimension extension line is white. You can assign any color and change the color of dimension extension line easily. See how it works. First we draw a linear dimension. Here you can see that the color of dimension extension line is white. Because the default value of DIMCLRE is 0. You can assign any color which are available in color command. Run DIMCLRE and change its value to 1. Draw a linear dimension. You can see that the color of extension line is changed to red. Run again DIMCLRE and change its value to 2. Draw a linear dimension. You can see that the color of extension line is changed to yellow. Run again DIMCLRE and change its value to 200. Draw a linear dimension. You can see that the color of extension line is changed to purple color. So you can change to any color. Thanks for watching.